Okay, so here's problem number 37 on section 1.4. 1.4, number 37. Okay, they give us certain things. They tell us that A is 1.3 kilometers. They tell us that alpha is going to be 24 degrees and that theta is going to be 33 degrees. Okay, they also tell us that tangent of theta equals y over x, and that tangent of alpha equals y over a plus x. One's a big triangle, one's a small triangle. So we're trying to solve for y. That's the whole point. Find y. And of course, in our triangle, our big triangle, y is the height here. Okay? So plug in what you know. I have tangent of 33 equals y over x, and I have tangent of 24 equals y over 1.3 plus x. Now, since we're trying to solve for y, we have basically what we have here, if you remember from college algebra, we have a system of equations here. We have equations in two variables, but we're only trying to solve for one. We're trying to solve for y. So we need to get one of these two equations in both variables. So here's what we're in one variable. So here's what we're going to do. Solve this first one for x. So that's going to give you y over tangent of 33. And take this second one here, and once we know this, we're going to take this and we're going to plug it in for x right here. So you have the tangent. Let's go to the next page. So you have the tangent of 24, excuse me, so that you have the tangent of 24 equals y over 1.3 plus y over tangent of 33. That's making that substitution, taking that first equation that we saw for x and plugging it in for x in the second equation. Now, if you notice, we have the second equation in terms of y. That's what we're trying to solve for, is y. So what we have here is a complex fraction. So what we need to do is to get a common denominator here on the bottom. And so our common denominator here is going to be tangent of 33. So when we multiply 1.3 over 1 by tangent of 33, this is what our bottom will look like once we get a common denominator. So we have a fraction, a number divided by a fraction. So remember your rules. We can multiply by the reciprocal. So this is the same thing as saying the tangent of 24 equals y times the tangent of 33 all over 1.3 tangent 33 plus y. Okay, this is all we did, is we did the reciprocal of the bottom of this fraction right here. We just took multiplied by the reciprocal. Okay, so now we have a proportion here. This is all understood to be over 1. So cross multiply, so we get 1.3 tangent, we get 1.3 times the tangent of 24 tangent of 33 plus y times the tangent of 24. So basically what I did here is when I took this bottom part and I multiplied it times the tangent of 24, I just did the distributive property essentially. Tangent of 24 times 1.3 tangent 33, tangent of 24 times y equals y tangent 33. Okay? So, at this point, now what we're going to do is this. We need to solve for y, so I'm going to subtract y tangent 24 from both sides. So, I have 1.3. I don't know why it's not going to go from page to page for me. So we have 1.3 tangent 33 times tangent 24 equals y tangent 33 minus y tangent 24. Okay? So, we're still solving for y. Notice on this side here, we can factor a y out of our two terms. So, what we have here is this now. Now at this point, divide to solve for y. So just divide everything by tangent 33 minus tangent 24. Alright, so y equals. Alright, so pick up your trusty calculator here, as it says in those videos. And I have 1.3 times tangent of 33 times tangent of 24 divided by tangent of 33 minus tangent of 24. No wonder. So, punch that in your calculator. Again, 1.33 times tangent of 33. Now make sure we're in degrees. What I did, I just made a mistake on my calculator. My calculator was in radians form under the mode button. Make sure your calculator's in degrees because we're dealing with degrees. If not, it's going to give you the wrong answer. So, 1.3 tangent 33 times tangent 24 divided by the tangent of 33 minus the tangent of 24. And if you do that, you should get approximately 1.8 for that answer. Okay? So that's how we're doing it. Basically, you got to think of it. Don't think of it in terms of trig. Think of it in terms of systems of equations. All right? Hope that helps you. Have a good day.